Okay, dear students, okay, we are going to construct a triangle ABC. Side BC is 7 centimeter, angle B is 75, and it's a sum. Other two sides are sum. It is 13 centimeter. So I am using a method to making a perpendicular bisector on the line CD. So that is method 2. So so I see here this is I need 13 centimeter here. So I should start my base here. So that means my line starts here at 7 centimeter. I'm just making 7 centimeter for BC. Okay, so this is B and this is C. Next I need to make a angle 75. So for that I'm using a compass, making a little bigger so that I can get a 60 degree very perfectly, 60 and 120. So just see like that. I'm just making a distance of so much. Okay, now I'm just cutting here. This is for 60, and again keeping at 60. If I cut again, I get 120. Okay, that is this is 60 and this is 120. Between 120 and 60 I have 90 in the center. Okay, so for that what I do is I just keep it here. Okay, then I just cut it here, then I keep it here now exactly. Okay, yeah, then I cut it. Okay, so everything should be perfect, otherwise you miss the measurement. Okay, now just keeping that this point, make it very clear. Okay, that point is very important. Okay, now this is, I would say, okay, 7, yeah. So this just I draw the line. Okay, I want to verify it is 90 or not, so I just keep the protractor and check it is perfectly 90. That is okay. If this is perfect only, then I can continue for the next. Okay, so now this is 90. Between 90 and 60 I got 75. Okay, so for that I am making little more longer the compass. Okay, now I just cut it here and keep it at 90 and cut it here. Now this point should be very clear. See this point. Okay, this point is very clear. Make it very clear. Now just join it here. Okay, now that is 75. That is 75. Now check whether it is 75 or not. So yeah, it is exactly 75. Okay, so this is 75 and this is 7 centimeter. Next, so I need 13 centimeter here, because AB plus AC is together how much? It is so much, so I just connect it. Now I say X here and this is arrow mark. Okay, it's a ray. Now I need 13 centimeter here. I'm just taking a measurement of 13. Yeah, it is 13 there, exact. It is here, exact 13. So now I just keep it here and make an arc. Okay, so that is done. Now this is D. Okay, now this is 13 centimeter. So now I keep a point, keep the pen here and just join it C. Join to C. Okay, now I need to take a perpendicular bisector of this one. Okay, so for that I must take a more than half the distance of CD. So that is, now this is more than half. Okay, then I just make a cut here. Okay, then I just make a cut here, this point I make a cut here, these two. Then I keep it at D. Okay, keep it at D, then cut it now, then cut it here. Okay, so now we'll join this 2 points. It should be very perfect in doing this one, so don't make a mistake here. Okay, now is it okay? Yeah, it is okay. Now I'm just connecting it. It is perfect cut. Okay, small difference is there. Anyway, okay, this is 90, doesn't matter much. Okay, now let us see a small half mm difference is there. Now this point is called A. This point is called A. I connect from A to C. I just connect from A to C. Now AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So let me measure it now. Okay. It is 5.4. This is 5.4 centimeter. This side is how much? 7.6. 7.6. Okay. AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter and AC is equal to 7.6 centimeter. Now the total is 13.0 centimeter. Method 2 is more precise. There's a chance of making mistake is very less. Method 1, you should be extra careful to get the answer. Okay. So anything missing here? All points are okay. You can even this ray also can give some name to this perpendicular bisector as M and N. So all the parts should be named. See here B. So you can say it as what? B and give some name like you say Q, whatever may be. So every line should be named. Okay. That's it.